A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. But in previous lecture, we learned about the social networking site appropriate usage. Now, today's here we learn about the etiquettes of social media. Etiquette means some rules and the usage of rules. So what you do on social networking site and what you don't do on the social networking site. When you are using the social networking site, you conduct yourself in a responsible way always. You can enjoy using social media and can utilize its power for yourself. For this, you should follow some uses rules applicable on the use of the social media. And the first rule is your be authentic, be honest about your identity. Don't create the fake profile on social networking site. So be honest always when you are using the social media with your identity, like your personal information. In personal post, never pose as authorized person. Never pose an authorized person of an institution or an organization. Always represent yourself in clear and honest way without boasting. Without boasting, you can represent yourself in clear and honest manner. This is the most common important rule for using the social networking site. The next etiquette is be secure. While you are using the social networking site, always choose your password carefully. Your password should not be easily guessable, like your surname, your school name, your date of birth, your phone number. You should follow the practices of choosing strong password always. A maximum of upper and lower case letter with some digit and symbol in the range of 8 to 20 character. When you are creating a password, you can choose minimum 8 character and the maximum you can use anything, but for the strong password you can create a password between the 8 to 20 characters. And when you are creating a password, you can use your uppercase letter, you can use one lowercase letter, you use one number, or you can use one special character. And frequently, you can change your password. Not using the same password over multiple social media account. You can create your different password for different social media site. For example, if you want to create the password for the Facebook, you can create anything. And when you are using Telegram, don't use the same password. You can change every password and you can change password for every social media site. When you are create your social account and we are create your social media accounts, so you can change your password. Don't use same password for multiple websites. For security point of view, never sharing your personal credential like your username and password with other. Don't share your PIN number, don't share your credential, don't share your name and password with anyone. Identify fake information, fake post, fake news, and never trust them. Always you can trust on the authentic information. And where you got the authentic information, always you can get the authentic information from the authentic sites. So when you are using the social networking site, be careful and identify fake information, fake post, and don't share these type of information with your friend, colleague, or anyone. The next etiquette is be reliable, trustable. Reliable means trustworthy. Be careful what you upload, as once something is uploaded, it stay forever on the internet even if you delete it. So, if you are associated with an institution or organization and in some form student, or you are a faculty member of a particular organization, or you are a staff member, and you are sharing your personal views about something, use a disclaimer to make it clear that these are your personal views, your personal thoughts, and you do not represent any institution or organization here. So be careful if you are a staff member of a particular organization, or you are an employee, you are a faculty member, or you are a student. So when you are sharing anything, when you are sharing your ideas and views, straightforward you can write down, these are your personal views and ideas, not represented by your institution. The another etiquette is, don't pick fights online. Sometimes people may respond to your post in a way you do not find good. In such a case, it is advised not to pick fight. Don't do the fight or online. Don't do the fight in post. Rather, convey your unhappiness through constructive post message while carefully choosing the right word. Always use the right word and always write the right word on the post or on the comment or in the comment. If, however, the posts are too derogatory and fall into a category of trolls, we have already know about the trolls and cyberbullying, then handle it the way we mentioned in already. Don't use fake name or pseudonyms. Don't use the fake names. Never pretend to be someone else. If you think that making an anonymous profile would hide you online, you are mistaken. Modern tracking tools can easily track supposedly anonymous posts and their authors. Uh, Anonymity online is just a myth. So don't use fake name. Protect your identity. Yes, very important etiquette here. Protect your identity. While you should be honest about yourself, but you should never provide or post personal information online. The scams, artists, or identity thieves keep looking for such things and can use your information to conduct some fraud or crime. Thus, never list your full name, parents, detail, your phone number, your home address online. It is a good idea to create a separate email address that is used online with social media site. Also, you should never share about your location online. Thieves are always ready and leave such opportunities. The next etiquette is, does your information post pass the publicity test? Before you post something online, perform publicity test on it. The rule is, if you post message is not acceptable for face-to-face conversation over the telephone or in other medium, then it is not acceptable at all. So ask yourself, what would you I want to see this published in the newspaper or posted on a billboard tomorrow or 10 years from now? If your answer is yes, feel free to post, otherwise don't write down anything on the social media site. The next etiquette and the next rule is, respect your audience. Respect your audience. Sometimes schoolmate, your college mate, or you can talk your friends, in slangan or use some abusive word which they found okay within their small group, but these things must not posted online. Don't write abusing word online. Don't use slogans, personal insult, or engages in other any conduct that would not acceptable in your connected world. The next is respect others' sentiments. You should always respect others' privacy and be considerate for topics that may be considered sensitive, such as politics and religion. Thus, you should never post anything that may compromise someone's privacy or hurt someone's sentiments. So, always respect the other sentiments also. The other etiquette is monitor comment. Most people who maintain social media site welcome comment. It builds credibility and community. You should prefer to review and approve comments before posting them on your site. This way you will ensure the quality of comments, but this also need that you should respond in a timely way to comments, so the comment posting happen in a stipulated amount of time and is not delayed for unnecessary long period.